We have already talked a bit about attach. What it does is keeps everything in place when it goes to the mat instead of having everything scattered around. So let me show you once more how attach works. So we have this text over here. Cricut is love. And let's say I want to add another heart over here. So I want everything together in a group like this. I don't want my heart to be floating around somewhere else. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select everything and I'm going to go ahead and click on attach. So now when I click on the heart and move it around, you can see the text also comes with it. And this is different to weld because it's not sticking together. It's not merged together. It's just attached as one group and I can easily detach it. But when it comes to weld, I cannot unweld it. So let me show you what happens when I weld it. So right now, these are two separate things. But when I click everything and I weld it, it comes out as one complete shape. So you can see that the heart has been welded to the T and S over here. So that's the significance of weld. And like I mentioned earlier, you don't have the option to unweld this thing. All right, so I hope that made some sense. Let's get rid of it and move to the next option, which is flatten.